Good morning, guys. So today is Sunday, March 15th. It is about 9:30 a.m. right now. And you know, this vlog's coming a little bit earlier than I thought it would. I am moving out of my college dorm about 6-7 weeks earlier than I planned to. You know, coronavirus, it does that. Basically, my school has shut down for the semester. Classes have been moved entirely online for the rest of the semester, exams, everything, and then campus has been basically shut down, and we were told to move out, pack everything up and be out of the dorm in 2 weeks. We were on spring break, and then we got a notification that was we'll be online for the remaining 2 weeks after spring break. And then once more school started to shut down, they were like, JK, you have to move out, you gotta leave. So yeah, now we're ending 6 weeks early and I need to move out of my freshman year dorm. So I thought I'd take you guys along on the journey, get some relatable coronavirus content. So this is what we're doing right now. My sister and mom were actually, this is my mom, they were actually already out here for spring break. So luckily I'm already in LA. I didn't need to go home then come back and then go back home. So my sister left this morning, we dropped her off at the airport, and now me and my mom are staying an extra 2 days to pack everything up and then try to ship everything home and basically just figure out what we're gonna do. First things first, we're gonna do some laundry and try to pack up my stuff. Where's your laundry? So eerily empty here. It just makes this all so much more creepy. Even just LA in general, this whole weekend is just so empty. Okay, next task, I need to go charge my car because it is almost out of battery. And I wasn't supposed to have a car for the summer anyway. I was gonna leave my car here because this just costs too much to ship it back to Maryland. Except now I don't have a car for 5 months, which is gonna be rough. I'm sharing a car with my sister, which she's not excited about, but what else am I gonna do? And also, for a Tesla, which is my car, you're not really supposed to leave it just not driven or charging for that long of a period of time. I'm not gonna be back till June, so I need to find a place I can just leave it plugged in for 2.5 months at least, because in June, that's when the lease of my house next year starts, so I can just leave it at the house. But yeah, I need to figure out what we're gonna do until then. I don't know if I can leave it plugged in at school for 2.5 months, so if I can just find a wall outlet to plug it in, honestly, that would work too. This is such a mess. Luckily though, since I have my car here, I feel I can fit most of the stuff that I'm not shipping home in my car. Throw pillows, storage stuff in my dorm room that I'm not gonna take home, but that I could use in my house next year. So we're trying to see if we can fit that all in my car. If not, we'll have to rent a storage unit for 2 months, which is so annoying. Oh my god. Okay, there are literally no wall outlets anywhere. The actual car chargers, you're not supposed to park for more than 4 hours, and I pushed it to 24 maybe, but I feel I'm gonna have to actually contact public safety and just tell them I need to leave my car plugged in for 2 months. Okay, so this is what we got right now. Everything here is what we're leaving in my car to go to the house, and then we still have all my clothes in the closet. We're gonna ship that home. We're gonna ship all my toiletries home. Ship all this home. Goodwill pile here.
Goodwill?
Yeah, pillow, Goodwill.
That's gonna be so cute. Someone's gonna love it.
Anyone at Goodwill in Playa Vista, California, this will be there. What else do we need to do?
We need to go get boxes so we can have somebody to ship them in.
Okay, so we've made some pretty good progress here. So over here is everything that I'm keeping in LA. What's over here? Mom, what is this spot?
To the right is actually coming home with us.
And then,
I'm gonna take one of those to see if we can fit in your car.
Okay.
Remember?
And then we have to ship all these clothes still. This is my suitcase we're bringing home for the week before all of this stuff gets shipped home.
This we're gonna try to fit in your car.
Yeah, we'll see if that works out, because we also have to fit all these bins in my car and all this stuff, so it could be a little bit of a struggle. I mean, it's an organized mess.
I know. I'm kind of feeling okay about it.
Yeah.
I feel like we might be able to do it. I won't be able to fit in the car.
I know, but you don't need to fit in the
That's
car. We're
fine.
just leaving my car here.
But we still have to go to FedEx and get boxes.
So we've literally been doing this for about 3 hours now. So now we're gonna get some food, go to FedEx and get the boxes, and then go to Target and get like big baggies and stuff so I can ship all my toiletries. What else do we need from Target? Is that it?
And packaging tape.
Packaging tape. And then we can ship everything probably. We can do, yeah. Ship it today. Oh, and we can ship it today, and then we can pack my car tomorrow. We're not leaving till Tuesday morning, so we have all the rest of today and the rest of tomorrow. So we're good on time. We got.
Oh, we gotta go Goodwill.
This is the Goodwill pile. We'll see what they'll take. Okay, here you get boxes and tape. Is that it? Boxes, tape,
Baggies.
baggies.
Happened to find some Purell.
It's definitely not here. I see boxes. I feel like we get like 8, 7.
I'm just figuring out the size. I don't think we can get these in your car.
Yeah. Okay, let's do this one. So we just remembered that for FedEx, you actually can't get like regular boxes. You need to ship in a FedEx box. So can't get boxes here, but we are just gonna get like packaging tape here because might as well get that while we're already here. Now we gotta do another trip to FedEx, and we gotta go to like Target or something to get baggies because they don't have those here either. Oh, so cute.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Yay. Stop number 2. They're out of big boxes. When we moved out here, we put them in like regular boxes and we shipped to FedEx, and they had to put the boxes we had put them in FedEx boxes. So I guess they want you to use a FedEx box, but if they don't have the boxes, okay, Mom, what are we doing now?
Okay, we'll go back to Home Depot. But we have to stop and get baggies, and then we'll go back to Home Depot.
We're back.
Okay.
Yay. Okay, we got the boxes. Now I think, should we go to CVS and get baggies?
Yeah.
It's right here. So we'll go to CVS, get baggies, drop myself off at Goodwill, go back to school, pack everything up, and just try to get out of here as soon as possible because we don't want like them to start canceling flights or something and get stuck here because I really don't want to drive my car across the country. Stop number 3, right here. Got it. I don't know what was supposed to be here, but it is all gone. Is household paper toilet paper? Because
I think so, yeah.
It was all gone.
Yeah.
The shelf was completely empty. I guess like paper towels too.
Yeah.
Nothing. I don't get why people hoard toilet paper. Now we're gonna go to Goodwill, and then hopefully they're still accepting like donations and stuff. And back to the door.
Have a good day.
Yay! Okay.
Goodwill.
Back to school. Okay, so it's about 4 p.m. right now, and we've gotten a lot of the packing done, not everything, but we still have all day tomorrow, so we're probably just gonna come back and finish. So we got this box, this box, this box, and then we're gonna leave this open and finish it tomorrow. And then taking those 2 bags on the plane. I need to figure out how to pack all this, and then this will pack in the car. I also need to get like all these hangers though still. Shoe rack, light, this thing, tripods. There's still a lot that needs to happen, but we got all day. So we're just gonna head over to FedEx right now and ship 2 boxes. If we can fit those in my car, then probably just stick to that for today. Hey guys, so it is the next day now. It's about 8 a.m. and we're headed back to school. So last night they basically announced in LA like everything's closing. Restaurants all had to pretty much shut down by midnight last night. You're not allowed to eat anywhere. It's just like takeout and drive-through. Gyms, libraries, museums, like everything's closed. LA is basically shut down. So we've decided to book a flight for later today. So it's at like 5:50 today. And we're gonna try to make that just to get out of here as soon as possible. We got a lot to do though. I need to figure out what I'm doing with my car. I need to ship those boxes, and I need to figure out what I can fit in my car, because if we can't fit everything in my car, then I need to rent a storage unit, which is gonna be a whole other thing. So got a lot to do today, and I will take you guys along for the whole thing. This is what we're working with. Hopefully these boxes both fit in my car. If not, we're gonna have to make 2 very annoying trips to FedEx.
What else is going home with you?
Those 2 bags.
So let's take those bags because we don't want, can't have anything in the car.
What do you mean? Oh, so we should bring them back to the hotel?
Yes, because
Okay.
every little space in your car is going to be accounted
Yeah.
for. Oh, this is a really good carry-on bag, Ella.
We already have our carry-on.
No, but
bag.
like in case I might need a bigger one for you. So like, I need to put like my pocketbook in your camera bag and make it into like one. Put that in here. Just thinking, pretending this is my big bag.
Oh, okay.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah,
This is
that's
one
good.
bag, and then I've got my other bag.
And then I have that bag I'm carrying on,
That's-
and then my purse. We're off. Shoot. Could I go in and pull from the other side? Oh! Yay! Now
Hold
we
that. Hold on.
Yay! Well, you'll sit right here.
I don't know how we're gonna get it out.
That's another. We're not there yet.
You have to push it.
Yeah. Round 3. Yay! Bye, close. So as of like 5 minutes ago, Maryland also decided to close down basically everything. So we're gonna go home, and we don't have a lot of food, and like we can't really eat out now because like restaurants are closed. So don't really know what we're getting into. It's kind of weird. It feels like an apocalyptic movie, but that's not really real yet. And like now it's starting to feel a little bit more real. So I think once I get home, it'll really sink in. Like self-isolation, that's not fun. Okay, my room's pretty much empty now. We're just gonna leave the mattress pad here. They'll probably get rid of it because I can't bring that home or fit it in my car. But we're fitting that in my car, and then everything in these 2 bins, or at least we're gonna try. I'm gonna try really hard. Okay, look at those storm clouds over there. Now we're on a bit of a time crunch. All this needs to get in here. We managed to fit everything in my car. If this is not an ad for Tesla, I don't know what is. Great car for moving out and storing your stuff in. Look at what we got here. I got all my furniture in the back seat, and then the trunk has another shelf in it. That's totally cool. And then we actually managed to keep the front seats totally clear because there's a frunk. So everything is in there. Okay, and the last thing I need to do is go park my car because I called the parking place at LMU and they said I could leave my car in this certain spot and like keep it plugged in. So that works out great. And then I'll just leave it there for the next 2.5 months, and I'm gonna miss it, but it's fine. Everything's in here. My whole life is in my car right now. My car. Oh my god, that was perfect. Well, this is kind of depressing, but guess I'm all moved out now. Goodbye, freshman year dorm room. Okay guys, it's about 3:45 right now, and I think will definitely be able to make our 5:50 flight out of LAX. It has not been canceled. Luckily, my sister's flight yesterday got canceled and rescheduled by the airline Southwest, so we were kind of worried that would happen to us, but we're good so far. So I have a backpack, I have my purse, and then because we're doing Southwest, I can check 2 bags for free. So I got my suitcase, which is definitely overweight, but we can't really do anything about that, honestly. And then a little duffel bag. And this is my airport outfit. All the restaurants are open in the airport. It's just very empty right now, people-wise. Oh, they're also letting people eat at the restaurants, which is, I guess the rules don't apply to the airport, but kind of weird. It is still just like super empty. Like there was like basically no line at security, and we pulled up like really fast too.
They couldn't get rid of the tables. They're like attached to the floor.
That's true. Yeah, I guess they can't avoid public gathering at the airport. Very prepared, mother. Hey, we're on the plane. Definitely sad that it's raining outside. It never rains in LA. It just makes that really depressing. But I'm excited to go home.